What I desire is that our players and our team make a good game, focus since the beginning of the match until the end, and we hope that we make all the best that we can for make a good result here.
Dalam rangka pertandingan besok antara PSS Sleman melawan PSM Makassar untuk beri Liga 1 2023-24.
Selamat malam. We don't have too much time compared with the opponent team, but it's usual, so it's not any excuse. Tomorrow we're gonna play against a strong opponent with good players, local players and foreign players with experience. And on this stadium at home they just lose against Persija. They come from very good results, and the environment with the supporters here on the stadium, on the games at home, is very good, bagus. So tomorrow is going to be a very difficult game to us. We need to be in the perfect day to can make a good result and a good performance here. Those two teams, going to be 3 teams on the field. So my wish is that the 3 teams make the best, and this was it already make our game on 22 July when we play at home against Persib. We won, but this was it make many mistakes. So I wish good luck tomorrow to him also to make a good performance and respect our players, because we work hard and we want to respect not just the team of Sleman but also Wasit team.
Selamat malam. Tomorrow we know the game is difficult game because Sleman have a good team, good players individual. So this week we prepared same for the last match. We not change nothing because we want to be strong in our idea. So, but we know tomorrow is one team very hard. The game is very hard because the team is strong. But we know what we can do here, and so we come for win the game tomorrow and make our best.
Okay, maybe last question untuk coach. Gimana coach, besok itu kan menghadapi PSS Sleman yang tentunya punya fans yang banyak, terutama di home Sleman sendiri. Selain itu, bagaimana persiapan mental mungkin dari PSM Makassar untuk menghadapi fans sendiri dari Sleman?
I think football without supporters, it's nothing. So I think it's good. That's going to be full stadium. Unfortunately, not with supporters of PSM Makassar. But if we want to have a development of the football on Indonesia, the stadium must be full. And I wish that in the future can be full with supporters of the 2 teams, the home team and the away team. What I desire is that our players and our team make a good game, focus since the beginning of the match until the end, and we hope that we make all the best that we can for make a good result here, because we know that with the full stadium going to be very strong, but also is a good motivation for our boys, because it's totally different to play in an empty stadium and in the full stadium.